How many times has it happened that you try to say something to somebody or communicate an idea and the person either does something else that's outside of what you asked them to do, or basically misunderstands what you were saying, and you get frustrated because, well, this person didn't understand me. Well, what if I told you that the meaning of the communication is the response that you receive? That is a common neurolinguistic programming presupposition, means just an overarching concept that if you keep in mind is going to help you make your communication much more effective. So when you say something, if I were to explain something to you, let's say, and you don't understand me, is it your fault or is it my fault, right? As the communicator, it is my fault. It is up to me to make sure that I have the flexibility in words and actions to actually get you to understand. So since this is a mixed audience and we're not actually having a conversation, this point is a little bit different. But if you're having a conversation with somebody face to face and they don't quite understand what you're saying, or you tell them to do something and they do something else, then it's up to you to figure out what it is that you said that you could have said a little bit differently, that might have gone in through the right channel, to that person, to actually get them to do what you wanted them to do, or get them to understand the concept that you were trying to give them in the way that was important for them to understand. So this short episode of Juan's Coaching Corner is all to tell you that it is up to you to have enough flexibility in your language and your communication to actually know that, hey, if I said something and it didn't go just the way that I planned it, I must be able to adjust a little bit, change some of the things that I said or some of the way that I said those things, and hopefully get a different response the next time. There is Juan's Coaching Corner for you. The meaning of the communication is the response that you receive from the other person.
Hey, if you found value in this video, please hit the like button so more people can find it, and consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell for more life-enhancing content. Oh, and by the way, there's no rush. Hang around, watch some other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.